emotions. Let them go. 4, 3, 2, it, back. Up. Woo. Slow. Again. Hey. You're a hurricane. A sexy hurricane. Beginning, pray. You let your emotions get the best of you. Take a breath. Do you really want to do this? Open. Hey, roll back. I think we are. Practice. You worked so hard to repress them, but I don't think you can anymore. It's okay. I give you permission.